is an absolute disaster. I don't know how this happens every single time I come home. The only thing that makes it a little better is that I made my bed today, but this is like low-key unacceptable. I just don't know how to make it any better, to be honest, because right now I know where everything is, and I like it that way. What is up? Welcome back to another vlog. Still in Virginia. Gonna film a couple of days. We leave tomorrow night, and today's the 4th of July, so I'm gonna film today, a little bit today. We have like a party going on at our house, so I'll get a few clips here and there, but obviously I won't film a lot if there's like a lot of people around. And then I'm gonna film a little bit tomorrow too of our last day in Virginia, so welcome back to it. Ooh, the lighting is bad in here. You wanna say hi? Why is lighting so red in here?
Do I look red?
Yeah, on camera.
Hell yeah.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow.
The next day, literally didn't get anything from the 4th of July, but you guys didn't miss much because we didn't really do anything. Hung out in the backyard by the pool, and we didn't even watch fireworks because I fell asleep on the couch. So, super uneventful 4th, but honestly, this year's 4th of July just kind of feels weird with like everything that's going on in the world, so it wasn't like the worst thing, you know what I mean? But now it is the next day. I've been working and trying to pack a little bit, as you guys can see by the mess on my bed. We leave tonight at 10 p.m. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Everything with the airline industry is just absolute insanity right now. So I have like this gut feeling that our flight is gonna get canceled or delayed or something's gonna happen and we're not even gonna be able to leave today and we're gonna have to leave tomorrow. They're literally already offering other flight options to people for like miles and flight vouchers, and it's only noon, so 10 hours before our flight, which is not a good sign. So we'll see what ends up happening, but I am a little bit nervous, so it is what it is. I just hope that if they're going to cancel my flight, they do it while I'm in my house and not at the airport, because I will not be happy if they cancel the flight while I get to the airport again, because that's what happened to us when we went on the cruise. We literally got to the airport and we didn't know our flight was canceled until it popped up on the screen, and it wasn't canceled 20 minutes before we got to the airport. So we're gonna pray that that doesn't happen again. I'm trying to pack everything now in packing cubes. When I go on a trip, I like to pack everything in outfits, but when I go back home, when I'm returning from my trip, I guess, I like to pack everything by the way that it goes in the drawers in my closet. So I put all of my tank tops together, I put all of my shorts together, I put all of like athletic stuff together. That way I can literally just take it folded from the packing cube and stick it straight in the drawer, and I don't have to like figure it out when I'm actually in my apartment, because like my least favorite thing is unpacking. So that's what I'm doing now, and figured I would just take you guys with me through reorganizing my suitcase when I'm headed back from a trip, because I never really do that process, but I guess it is a little bit different than when I am leaving for a trip, like the packing cubes and like the order of things and stuff like that. So gonna get back to it.
Great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
I'll show you guys the method to the madness. So these are all athletic things. This is a set, my leggings, and then my sweat shorts, and then I have like spandex and, not spandex, what are these called? Oh, biker shorts, my little athletic skirt, and then I athletic tops. So I'm gonna put all of this in one packing cube. And then we have pants, shorts, and skirts, which all go in the same drawer in New York. So I'm gonna put that together. Then I'll probably put this with it because this goes in a separate drawer. I have all my tank tops together. These go in one drawer. My pajamas together. And then I also have all the stuff that I need to hang up. I think I'm gonna put that in its own packing cube so that I know what packing cube needs to be hung up. Then we have underwear, socks, and then I always keep my bikini in a packing cube because it's just the easiest way to organize them and I never take them out. So I literally, when I go on vacation or like a beach vacation, I just grab the packing cube out of wherever I store it and I don't even have to do anything. It has all my bikinis in it. This is my plan. I've never done it like this before, so this is like a trial and error process, but I feel like it's gonna be 10 times easier to unpack things when I'm actually back in New York if I do it this way. I also have stuff that I left here when I literally moved to New York that I need to try on. I have this little H&M shirt for work. Then I have this jumpsuit and this little romper. I don't know if they're still gonna fit me, but I'm gonna try them on. And if they fit, I'm gonna bring them back with me. Almost like buying new clothes, but I'm literally shopping my own closet, just my closet at home. So I need to do this in a little bit, but honestly, it's just so much work to change. Also quite the shoe mess that I need to figure out what to do with because I came here, I guess I came here with the same, nope, I bought these when I was here from Old Navy. So I'm leaving with one more pair of shoes than what I came with, but because they are slides, should be easy to pack. And then I bought these new shoes while I was here. I custom ordered them from Nike and had them shipped to my house because it said they were gonna take 3 weeks to make. So this was a fun surprise to come home to and I'm obsessed with them. Then we have all of this that needs to go in there, but I'll get to that eventually. Nothing that was in my closet previously fits me anymore, so I'm gonna have my sister sell everything on Poshmark, on her own Poshmark. There's a lot of cute stuff in there and I'm kind of sad it doesn't fit me anymore, but also at the same time, like I know my body has changed since I moved to New York. Not necessarily in a negative way, it's just changed and I don't fit into the clothes that I used to be able to fit into. So now we have lots of empty space in my home closet. I'm keeping all of these just because, I mean, why not, you know? Gotta rep the college sometimes. And that's it. I'm glad I got to that because I was supposed to do that like literally when I got here and I never got around to it. So better late than never. Also pretty much done packing here. I packed one side of my suitcase over there. I've semi-packed my backpack, but I have to wait for this stuff in the hallway to dry before I can put anything in my suitcase. So waiting for this. Some of this is kind of dry. I honestly might just throw it in the dryer for a few minutes to get it completely dry, but I'm gonna give it a little bit longer. Also bringing my GoPro back to New York with me because when we went on our cruise in May, we were all like kind of sad that we didn't have the GoPro with us because we could have taken it snorkeling and on the boat and stuff like that. So I'm bringing it back to New York because I'm going on a cruise this month. I know so many cruises this summer, but I'm going on a cruise with my friends and I want to be able to document some of it, like when we do a boat cruise and when we go snorkeling. So very excited to have found it, and the fact that it works and turns on and all that stuff is great. But I now need to figure out how to organize this suitcase because it comes with so many accessories. I have like a dog harness, a helmet harness, a underwater bobber thing, a selfie stick. Like I have so many accessories that go with this GoPro. So I need to figure out how to organize it to bring it back to New York in one piece. My hair looks crazy, but we made it to the airport. I'm currently sitting in the United Lounge, and we're waiting for our flight to board. Our flight doesn't board till like 9:30, and it is 8:04 right now, so we have like an hour and a half to chill. And my United like lounge pass is gonna expire in 20 days, and I don't have any plans to fly in anymore in July, so I was like, might as well use it. I think we're gonna sit here for a little bit until our flight boards. Fingers crossed it doesn't get delayed. So far it says it's on time, but I know a lot of flights have been getting delayed and canceled last minute, like very last minute, like literally when you're on the plane, so stay tuned for that. But I have high hopes. We're gonna manifest that the plane takes off on time and that we don't have any issues. I'm also sitting literally right here and you can see like the planes take off and stuff like that. Interesting view. I might go get some wine because the wine is free in the United Lounge, which is really nice. I think you just tip, like that's customary to tip, but that's it. So I might go do that. Have myself a little wine night. Wonder if this is one-way glass or if they can see me. Oh, they can see me. I'm almost positive. That is awkward. What do you have to say?
Their cucumber water is very good.
This is cucumber water?
No, mine is. I think you cucumber water.
Thank you.
See, that's that attention to detail that goes unappreciated.
They have good snacks this time.
Goes unappreciated around here.
They have good snacks this time.
Yeah.
They have all the chips and stuff. I feel like every time we come here so late that all the snacks are put away.
Yeah.
But they actually have like good snacks out there, like wraps and like bunch of chips. They have sour cream and onion chips.
Seems like they've ended their COVID food policy.
Oh, is that why? That makes sense. Alright, go get your wine. Cheers.
Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In a moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds when I return from my skin and bone.